Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this wreath, and all of it was for free. So keep watching, and later on in this video I'll tell you everything you need to know on how to get the free trimmings.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring.
So what I just showed you were hooks that you would usually use on a Christmas tree, but now I want to go ahead and just let you know how I made all of this for free. So first, my wire wreath that I already had, I had that from the fall time. I used it for a DIY then, and I just took everything off of it and I just reused it because, again, I wanted it to be all free and I wanted to pay absolutely nothing for it. But if you don't have a wire hanger, you could go ahead to Dollar Tree and you would get that, of course, for $1. But these trimmings are from Lowe's. If you go to Lowe's, they will let you have the tree trimmings that they cut up for when they're, trimming the tree or whatever. And the guy who I talked to, he told me I can have as much as I wanted. So I just took the whole thing because he had just got done trimming a tree. And again, that was all for free. So make sure you check out your local Lowe's and see about the free trimming.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time. Dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So I wanted to explain this part as well. So I was using my little wire cutter to cut, because I had the really long hooks and I really didn't need that much. So to make it last a little bit longer, I would cut them in half just so I can have more to use. But also, you see my hot glue gun, I would turn over my wreath and I would kind of fill in those spots where you could see the wire, and so I would hot glue some of the greenery on there just so you wouldn't be able to see. It would just make it more fuller. I think that's the word, make it fuller. And so yeah, so that's what I did with my hot glue gun. And too, like, now you can see like the wire and how you can see all of it. So I just wanted to make sure that you couldn't see any of those wire. Even though it's green, I still wanted to blend in a lot more than what I was doing. So you can do this either way. You can have it where you can have more, or you can have less on there. I wanted to make it pretty big just because I thought I was going to put it on my front door, but I love it so much in my house. I actually, the way you'll see at the end of this video where I end up putting it, but I love it so much where I put it just because I get to walk into my kitchen and I see it all the time. So keep watching so you can find out where I end up putting this wreath.
To have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. 'cause every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Hail the heaven, Prince of Peace. Hail the Son of Righteousness. Peace on
So this is what it ended up looking like. I was so pleased with it. Honestly, I could have kept it just like that. I just love the natural look of it. Also, these little berries or whatever they're called, I didn't pay anything for those as well. I actually picked those from my mom's or my parents' front yard. So again, you don't have to go out and just buy all these things. Like, you can go and see about the free stuff, and also you can pick things from your front yard. Go out there and look in your front yard, your backyard, and just see what's out there, because it may be something that you could use. And again, to just hook these on, I just used my little wire hooks that I was using to do on the greenery. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, I am in love with this wreath. I sent a picture to my mom and she wants me to make her one. At the very end of this video, you will see how much tree trimmings I still have left over from making this. So I still have so many projects that I want to do. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you won't miss out on any of those projects, because I love sharing some stuff that you are able to use, especially if it's free. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I put on there about the free trimmings from Lowe's, so make sure you go and do that now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!